All right, here's a quick one by the Cold Stares, White Girl, off of their Ways album. Just another example of Chris Tapp putting on an absolute riff clinic. We're using minor pentatonic boxes 1 and 2 in the E position. We are tuned down to D standard here. So we're going to start off with 2 open E strings. Hit 3-5 on E. Come back to 3 on E. Play an open D, then a little trill on D, and then hit 2A. So putting all that together, we've got all right, so there's your intro riff and your verse riffs. Towards the end of the verse, when you're getting ready to go into the chorus, you're going to end the riff like this. You're just going to hit a D power chord. I'm speaking as if the guitar is tuned in standard tuning, so hit 5A, 7D, 7G. And then your chorus is just going to be some power chords. You got your G power chord at 3E, 5A. And then your A power chord at 5E and 7A, so it's going to go. Then we're going to move up to your A and D string and slur from D to E here. So you're going to be 5A and 7D and 7A and 9D. Then you're going to come back to the G and the A. And then back to the D and the E. So you can only do that one time when you come back to it at the end of the chorus. Then you hit a B minor triad here, so it'd be 9D, 7G, 7B. And then you just go back into your verse riff there. Alright, there's all the parts for that one, except for a few little nuances towards the end of the song which you'll be able to put together on your own while you're jamming with it. Let's run a quick little playthrough now.